Hala, my love, oh. This one, oh. Oh, still.
Is it still inside?
Tingnan mo.
No.
But I think this is nice.
This oyster.
No, it's not empty.
Yeah, so bad.
Yeah. Do we have silupin? Yeah, my love.
Yeah.
Sumini, oh.
Yeah.
No. My love, I need a silupin. No, there is in the car, I think. Minhas ko. Ino na ko nga nanginhas kuno po there is Netherland. Ha? I said, nanginhas ko. Walay pagkaon. Nanginhas na lang ko. I get now more. Oh.
I have a small bag for you.
Sus, ka small bagayod.
Eh?
Lao, sumini. Hala ka. Yeah, isa. We don't have there? Only that one?
Yeah. We come next week back.
Yeah, but I don't know. isa because I put this one in my YouTube. You will see that nanginhas ko. They call it nanginhas, my love. Is it free to pick this one?
What?
Is it free to pick this one?
Yeah, sure. For me,
Oh,
I gave you permission.
uy, nang harvest ko sa dili ako. Sumi niya. Wala ka. I will cook this one. Can we eat this one? Oh, so the other is goes down there. Kadagana eh. Oh, this is what Jean said.
Yeah?
This is what Jean said that they will harvest.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm. Diri tabi. Okay, clean. Wa man tay isudaan. Diri ta.
Yeah. Many oysters there.
Eh?
Yeah, back.
Yeah, later na. Gana, uy. Oh. Then I was.
String.
Ah, there is a string.
Beverly.
No, the other is died na. It's gone. Wala ka, grabe, no? My love, nakita sila gold? Nakita sila gold, my love. Nakita sila gold. You look gold.
Yeah.
They look gold.
Yeah.
You know,
What is it?
remove that sa the dirt. So that I can, ano na, we can go na. Because it's mixed. Uy, mangkog. So many. Ay, thank you Lord. So many. Grabe. Blessing. Nobody wants. In the Philippines, this one is a lot of people will come here and get this one.
Don't tell them.
Only man me, ako rin nanguha. I am alone who are getting this one.
Yeah.
And I am the only one who are eating this one, I think. Naghugas ko sa tubig sa dagat perting tugnawa. Ang tubig murag mag-ice na. Diri ko kakuha og daghan nga mga mussels. Ako ra intawi na mudyot, ako rin ang inhas.
Zero. Full?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, that one big. Yeah, better here we get here, but then there, no? Yeah, but next time it is clean, no?
What?
It's clean.
Yeah.
Then the other one that we get,
Yeah.
that's the clean pa. This one is more clean. Next time, my love.
You can harvest it in an half hour.
Yeah, there it takes so long. Because you're afraid also. No? Only we don't have ano no, silupin.
Look.
Be careful because it's slippery. Yeah. Needs a knife.
Yeah.
Grabe kay siya. Uy, daghan kaayo.
Yeah.
It's clean pa. Ba, my love?
What?
It's clean.
Other shell?
Mm-mm. It's clean pa here. Then the one that we get it here, it's dirty. But anyway, we already get, so yeah. Kana, uy. Kapan ko kadala og sudlanan? Ito lahat ang nakuha ko. Marami. Kaya lang, siguro mas marami pag nakadala ko ng malaking cellophane or paring kaya.